awesome.
She ain't dead yet.
No, absolutely not. That's for sure.
And our beautiful weather, Lisa.
That is gorgeous. That shot behind you, incredible.
Yeah, it's not dead yet either. We got a lot more of this yet to come. You know, after last week, we had the fog and low clouds about midweek. We start out with sun first part of the week. We ended with a lot of sun at the end of the week, and even more sun today. But I cannot get enough of this. I was down in Lincoln City this week, and I can tell, or last week, and I can tell you there were a lot of these sunsets just like that. About a few minutes ago, if you're watching, that was a beautiful bright red sunset. We've got several more of those to go. I don't see much in the way of rain in the 7-day forecast. We'll get to that in a minute. Mount Hood Meadows, now this is kind of the opposite. Now we're still got an inversion going where we have warmer weather down at the coast, cooler air in the valleys, settling down in the valleys, temperature inversion. And Mount Hood Meadows, boy, they were up to almost 50 degrees today. So that melt off, unfortunately, continues for the ski resorts. And no precip coming anytime soon to replenish that lost snow. Live outside downtown Portland. Subaru Portland camera, 41 degrees, clear skies, get the east wind blowing. You see we're dry and clear in the valley out along the coast. You can see the fog and low clouds with that cooler air mass that settled in last week over the east side of the state. And that's what creates those east winds that blow through the Columbia River Gorge. In fact, a gust of 46 miles per hour now in the last hour at Troutdale. I checked the observations at Corbett. We had a wind gust there to 72 miles per hour today. Vista House likely up above 80, maybe even 90 miles an hour. Very busy, or I should say windy, out there in the gorge. Now, wind gust forecast tonight, tomorrow through Portland. Yep, more of the same, especially east of 205. Folks out there, eastern parts of Multnomah and Clackamas County, you know the typical windy spots, Troutdale, Fairview, Gresham area. Today's high 47 with that east wind blowing at the airport, but further south in the valley and north, Kelso 51, Salem 50. Look at that, a lot of mid and upper 50s along the coast under beautiful sunshine. Look at that, fog and low clouds, Redmond and Bend, just 28 degrees. Air stagnation advisory, National Weather Service still has that up now. They've extended it from Tuesday all the way into Wednesday for all those areas shaded in gray. Notice not the immediate Portland metro area because we get the east wind mixing up the atmosphere. Okay, current air quality is pretty good. A couple of moderates here, Eugene and east of Salem there in Marion County. Trash cans gone wild, yeah, tipped over, not too bad. East winds continue in the Portland area, 20 to 35 miles per hour tonight and again tomorrow. Hourly planner on your Monday, get you out the door, clear skies, windy conditions, temperatures right around 50 for daytime highs. Futurecast, you see the fog and low clouds up against the east side of the Cascades. We'll continue that sunshine. Here's 11:30 a.m. Lunchtime on your Monday, clear skies, easterly offshore flow, another beautiful day out there along the coastline. And then by Tuesday, just a few high clouds. The models don't really pick up on whether it's high clouds or low clouds, but there'll still be plenty of sunshine. 2.13 inches of rainfall at the Portland Airport in the month of January. Now we're falling behind. That's about 7/10 of an inch behind where we should be for this time of the year. 7-day forecast. Martin Luther King Day on your Monday, breezy and sunny. We're going to continue that again Tuesday. The wind backs off on Wednesday, Lisa, right around 50 for daytime highs. And I'm putting a chance of a shower Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's looking pretty meager even at that as the dry streak continues.
What a forecast. Thanks, Steve. Now